How to send voice messages on Discord. If any day you would like to send voice messages on your very Discord account but do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch the Discord application on your mobile device. For that, you have to go to the search section on your mobile device. After you go to the search section on your mobile device, you have to search Discord there. After you search Discord there, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the very Discord application in order to launch the very Discord account on your very device. After the very Discord application is launched, you can see an interface like this. Sometimes the application launching may be late due to your very internet connection. Therefore, you also need to check whether you are connected to a stable internet connection or not. That may be your data connection or your Wi-Fi connection as well. So after you check it, you can see an interface like this. Now you can go to the option of Not Now. After that, you can see an interface like this. Now in order to send a voice message on your very Discord account to any of the group like this, you have to go to the voice icon here, because this is the voice icon from which we can send the very voice message. If you tap on the very voice icon out there and send it, and this way the voice messages will be sent on Discord. If you would like to send the very messages just singly or just individually, you can just tap on the option of messages, and after that you can just tap on the person whom you would like to send a message to, and after that you can see the very voice message out here or the voice message icon out here. You have to tap on it and just you have to select the voice message that you want, and this way your very voice message will be sent to the person that you want. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.